everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Muvhango from the 25th to the 29th of July 2022 on Monday. Chiferi unwittingly get herself and Susan into a deep trouble. James and Imani reach a stalemate. Buchiro display more insecurities on Tuesday. Susan is forced to eat humble pie. A father has break some disturbing news to his son. Look like love is on the card for Buchilo on Wednesday. A large sum of money is deposited into Chifeli Mbilu's account as the Namudzimu set his plan in motion. Post snoops on Diwabo's phone and comes across something that shocks her to the core. Shares become suspicious of Chiferi's new spending habits and digs more information on Thursday. The Namudzimu receives news that the money has been deposited in Buchilo's bank account, so he moves ahead with his plan. Susan discovered that Chifeli owns the company that received the cleaning tender. Mpo and Namudzimu disagree about Ndiwabo staying over at James' house. Buchilo discourages Zama from dressing sexily for a business meeting on Friday. Susan is in trouble after news emerged that her cousin Chifeli has been awarded a tender fraudulently. Why tender offends James? Buchilo is left insecure after Zama refuses to change the sexy way that she dresses. Josi doesn't help matters. Mpo is worried about Ndiwabo's corrupt friends. Ndiwabo's kiss with a boy spoil her surprise party. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.